Growing up in Atlanta's Mechanicsville neighborhood, Lil Woody faced a world where survival meant navigating tough streets and tougher losses. In an exclusive interview with Vlad TV, he talked about how tragic his early years were, including the loss of both his parents and a head injury that forced him to special education. Those early struggles prepared him for street life, where he sought belonging and survival. His experiences prepared him for his turbulent interactions with the criminal justice system and his role in one of Georgia's most well-known trials. During the 2022 YSL RICO trial, which became Georgia's longest criminal trial ever, Lil Woody's name made headlines. Prosecutors charged Young Thug and other YSL members with running a violent street gang under the pretense of a record label and engaging in drug, weapons, and racketeering violations. The 2015 drive-by shooting death of Big Nut, a fellow gang member and close friend of Rich Homie Quan, was one of the most crucial elements of Woody's testimony. In court, he admitted to a fight with Big Nut and his brother before the murder, and he confessed to helping arrange a rented car used in the shooting. But he insisted on not killing Thomas himself. The defense pushed back hard, questioning his motives and digging into past statements, even pointing to Young Thug's song Halftime, where Thug mentioned Woody's name. Woody later described his decision as a desperate attempt to survive the streets and the system, acknowledging that he had unjustly accused Thug in order to deflect attention from himself. After Woody was arrested on weapons allegations in October 2021, his legal troubles escalated with his interrogation. In this session, which was later captured on camera and shared online in 2023, he claimed to have knowledge of a planned murder, providing vague details and acknowledging that he had made up lies to deceive law enforcement. During his pre-trial testimony, Woody claimed that the release of a 2015 interrogation video by Fulton County prosecutors was an attempt to portray him as a snitch, endangering his life. Upon being called to testify for the first time in June 2024, he used his Fifth Amendment protection against self-incrimination to answer all questions. He was immediately arrested and taken to jail over the weekend when the judge ruled that he was in contempt. After being given immunity, Woody eventually struck a bargain to testify, despite his repeated threats to plead the Fifth during future sessions. An ex-parte private session between Woody, prosecutors, and Judge Ural Glanville on June 10, 2024, without defense counsel present, generated much controversy. Following defense motions pointing out the unethical meeting, Glanville recused himself from the case. The case was handled by new Judge Paige Reese Whitaker, who ordered Woody to give another testimony in front of the jury. In August 2024, the Georgia Supreme Court suspended Woody's lawyer for 6 months, which halted his testimony. He refused to testify after learning of the suspension, saying he felt vulnerable and helpless without adequate legal counsel. The trial was further delayed as a result of this disruption, which led to the hiring of a new lawyer. He was dubbed a hostile witness because of his crazy antics, which included evading questions and retaliating against prosecutors. In 2024, Young Thug accepted a plea deal to avoid additional jail time. Woody apologized in public to Young Thug for the devastation he had caused, but he denied being the main cause of Thug's problems in court. Lil Woody found himself back in legal trouble for reportedly planning illegal street racing takeovers in Atlanta. During a citywide crackdown on street racing on July 3, 2025, he was arrested, sent to the Atlanta City Detention Center, and released the same day on a $1,300 bail bond. Charleston White escalated his ongoing battle with Woody on social media when he claimed responsibility for tipping off the cops. Woody has not made any public remarks regarding the arrest, but the charges give his legal story a new dimension. His public persona continues to be impacted by the YSL RICO trial. The street racing accusations are still pending, and information gathered could have an effect on his future.